Good morning mga palangga! Welcome back to my channel, TK Hamero. Tara mga palangga, maglaag tayo.
Uy, after 1 hour kang ako ang na-discover kay pagkagamit isa ni
We are here na mga palangga at the entrance of the Sanctuary of Truth. Yan.
Pamassage. May massage dito. Where? 100 ito.
Pila po, pila. Uy! Tagalog ka? Ako
Oh,
po ay
Filipino.
taga Cavite. Taga-tagom daw ni din.
Kasi taga-tagong.
One, two.
Pabayo, din.
Dili ka na ra sila.
Horseback riding na po sa Baguio po. Sa Dahilayan. Kalesa sa Cebu.
Uy, katawaanan, magkaita, uy. Dapat ang kalesa dito sa Intramuros ka na nakay.
Nasa laing nasod pag ito nakaya. Pinoy pag yun.
Pinoy ba ng kalesa?
Joy. Pinoy kita pero silang nasod tala na kay Kalesa sa to. Uy, ikaldireta tani o.
Uy, ay.
Dali lang.
그러므로 원하는 것을 끝없이 얻으려고 노력해야 하고 고통에 이르게 전달합니다. 다섯 가지
First of all, I would like to tell you about the rules and regulations about our museum. First, please follow the scheduled time to visit this museum. Second, please receive the helmet before visiting the museum. We assure you that these helmets are clean. Live streaming, video recording are not allowed during the tour. That Dong Samut Prakan province was built to show people that even Thai societies come from different race, religions, traditions, and cultures. Everyone can live together harmoniously and is to serve as a tool for unity with one another. In 1994, the Erwan Museum was built to let people understand that religion guide us as a persons to do good deeds, which is a primary basis for peaceful living and is sustainable for society if we follow these teachings and it motivate us to be good.
Ito sila mga palangga ang naghahimo sa ano, yung gumagawa ng wood carving for the Sanctuary of Truth. Ayan. Yan sila mga palangga. Nagka-carve. So many tourists. Tourists. Kumusta man mo diha?
Welcome to my vlog.
Init-init. So this is the Sanctuary of Truth, mga palangga. Here in Pattaya, Thailand. This is not a temple, mga palangga. This is a museum. Symbol of pagkakaisa. Yan, unity. Si Jingay, mga palangga. Nabulag namin sa tour guide, mga palangga. Sige pa picture.
Over here we have are the bases, because the bases, as one is the plain base because it has no decorations, and the one here above we call this one as the Singha legs, also known as the lion legs, everybody. Now I'm going to talk kind of proceed over at this side right here, because at the gaps of each bases right here we can see culture and tradition that relates to the rice farmers, everybody, because in the past the Thai people, they are rice farmers. Now, everyone, for the first one right here, I'm sorry about this part right here because we're installing new artworks. Now, for the first one over here, we have is the burning of the rice ceremony. Now, but let's all kind of proceed over here to see the next one. Okay. Now, this side over here, we have is the gathering of people. Right here. Now, everyone, this one over here, we call this one as the Singha Bantorn, also known as the Royal Bounty. Alright. Now everybody, so everyone, good morning and welcome here to the first test, plasma and sweat. Lastly, everyone, over here at the right side we can see is the fire. Now this one right here, it is a sculpture of a dragon right over here. And also a fire breathing Korean right here, which symbolizes our emotions as well as the digestion that produces body heat. Our tour, we're in this room right here, we can see examples of individuals who have left profound things in this world. They may have passed on, everybody, but what does eight immortals who symbolizes knowing your own duty, practicing as we grows up, depends entirely on a family right over here. Now everyone, the family sculpture right here wants us all to be reminded of what our parents have done for us. And then, take a look back. The last 2 minutes of our time. And once we arrive upstairs, everybody, I'm also going to tell you additional information on how to have wonderful photos both outside and inside the museum, everybody. So let's all kind of see that this
Tapos na kami, mga palangga, sa tour. Ganda, mga palangga. Yan, mga palangga, ang kabuuan ng Sanctuary of Truth. So nice sa loob, mga palangga, yung kanyang carvings, wood carvings, ka-perfect talaga. Alam mo importance na or lesson learned ko dito, tayong mga tao darating na walang wala at mawawala na walang wala, kumbaga, di ba? You know what I mean? Tsaka yun sa as human being, dapat talaga yung pagkakaisa, no, ng bawat isa, and be respectful, and you know, be kind to everyone. and give importance to your family, to our family. Yun. We're done mga palangga dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. So, thank you for watching. Till our next video. Bye for now.